Hello everyone, today I'll be restoring this antique platinum ring. My goal is to bring this beautiful old masterpiece back to life. As you can see, the ring is very finely crafted and requires careful handling. The shank is badly bent, cracked, and it's missing a stone. Using a mandrel, I'll correct the shape. Of course, I could replace the shank, but the customer prefers to keep the original, so I'll be using a laser to weld the cracks, the best solution for platinum. What do you think of this ring? Does this restoration deserve a like?